Just add washing powder and salt. That's right, Mrs. Maria. This tip was taught to me by a cousin who works in a rich man's house. They use it all the time, and it's simply incredible. Once you learn how to do it, you won't want to stop. This wonderful tip has helped a lot of people, so here we go. I've added about 4 spoonfuls of washing powder. I've also added 4 tablespoons of salt. And if you've got as far as that, leave the salt in the comments so I know you're tuned in to today's video. Then you mix well. After mixing well, add a glass of water and mix again until it is completely dissolved in the water. This tip shows instant results the first time you do it. You'll always want to do it again. Now we need alcohol vinegar. It has to be alcohol vinegar. We'll add 3 tablespoons of vinegar. To finish, we'll need alcohol. If you prefer, you can use alcohol gel, which also works. We'll add 3 tablespoons of alcohol and mix very well. In order for the ingredients to aggregate with each other and with you, I ask you to give me a rating from 0 to 10 at the end of the video. Your evaluation is very important. I need to know what you thought of our video today. This mixture is very easy to make using ingredients you have at home. Now we'll need a spray bottle to make it easier to apply the product. We'll transfer our mixture with the help of a funnel. Let me know what city you're watching from. I love to know how far my videos are reaching. Tell me as soon as I've finished here and I'll send you a big hug. Our little mixture is ready to use, and this personal mixture is very powerful for cleaning your toilet bowl. That's right, it has a high whitening power and can remove those yellowish stains that over time end up appearing on the toilet bowl. As well as killing bacteria and getting rid of that urine smell, it also makes everything smell great. You can use it all over your bathroom. Make this potent mixture and leave it in your bathroom. I'm sure you'll love the result. A simple and useful tip with ingredients you have at home. This is the secret that the rich sometimes hide for a long time. We spend on products that aren't very effective, but today, that problem is over once and for all. Let me know what you think of this tip and whether or not you'll do it. That was our video for today. If you liked it and want more videos like this, please comment so that I can see that the video is relevant and bring you more content like this. Thanks for your love, and see you in the next video.